Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2006 F350 Power Stroke diesel pickup. Customer called and said all of a sudden they were driving down the road. They went to pull into a parking spot. They turned the steering wheel, but the wheels didn't actually turn. They got out, looked the vehicle over, couldn't see anything that had really gone wrong, no broken tie rods, nothing like that. They had it towed in. When we got it in, we lifted it up. We noticed that the steering gear had failed. The primary shaft that comes from the steering column had basically ejected itself out of the gear. I don't know that I've ever seen that happen in my 30 years of fixing cars, so that was a new one for me. We advised the customer they would need a new steering gearbox, got that put in for them, took it for a drive. Everything seemed to work properly. So if you have a vehicle that's having a steering issue and you're not quite sure what's going on or if it's normal, we do offer free estimates. My name is Dan. Give us a call, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.